Hi viewers, good morning. I am Anlokeshwar Rao, Functional English and Life Skills Trainer. Now I would like to explain about the flow of communication. First of all, what is flow of communication? We have to know. Flow of communication is nothing but information flows in an organization both formally and informally, especially which helps for the business organizations. The flow of communication can be divided into or can be classified into four. The first one is downward communication, the second one is upward communication, the third one is lateral communication, the last one is diagonal communication. Here, the first one, we have to know the first one. What is the downward communication? Downward communication is nothing but an information flows from manager to the subordinates. Here manager wants to know the performance of the employees. This communication is very useful and easily know the performance of the employees, how the employees are working in the company, and the personal feedback about the companies he knows easily through this communication. And he conduct review meeting every month or monthly wise or weekly wise. He conduct review meetings. So for what purpose he conduct the review meetings? To know the new procedures, to know the new policies about the company. So what is the present condition of the company? For that purpose only, the manager conduct review meetings weekly or monthly. And the next, the second one is upward communication. What is upward communication? Upward communication is nothing but information flows from subordinators to manager, from employees to manager. Through this communication, employees easily convey their information to their higher officials, to their officers, and their recommendations and their information and everything also the employees send to their higher officials. And here the manager easily know the how the employees are feeling about their jobs, about their colleagues, about their organizations. Manager easily knows through this communication. And next come to the lateral communication. What is lateral communication? Lateral communication is nothing but lateral communication is known as horizontal communication. It's especially used for the coordination. What is the coordination? So here the some groups are there in the companies, some departments are there in the companies. In the departments, in the peer groups, uh, there is no coordination one time. So for that purpose only, so it is also the coordinate one group to another group and one department to another departments. So it is working as a bridge. So it is a lateral or horizontal communication. And next come to the last one is diagonal communication. What is the diagonal communication? Diagonal communication is nothing but diagonal communication is known as crosswise communication. What is the crosswise communication? And then so here the manager directly the information directly flows to all departments. So in the sense manager directly contact with the VPs. VP in the sense directly contact with the production. So it is also the quick and efficient communication, and it is encourage the email communications through the emails. So employees and higher officials, employees share their information, so one to another through the mails. So it is also the very useful, and it is also the working as a bridge between sender and receiver. Thank you, one and all.